Just look at that. Rich, creamy white sauce gently drizzling over golden, juicy chicken steaks. French fries on the side, green peas adding that pop of freshness. Tell me honestly, doesn't this plate look like it belongs in a fancy restaurant? The best part? You can make this beauty at home with zero fuss, and today I'm showing you exactly how. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support truly means the world to me, so keep supporting me just the way you always do. So let's jump straight into it. I've got about 750 grams of chicken breast pieces, washed and patted dry. Now for the marination, I'm keeping it simple but flavorful. So, salt to taste. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a dash of oregano and rosemary, one teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons mustard paste, and 2 tablespoons melted butter. Mix it all together and coat the chicken well. Set it aside for 10 minutes. In a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of butter. Add marinated chicken pieces on medium flame and cook each side until golden brown. My chicken was a bit thick, so it took me 8 minutes per side. But if yours is thinner, it'll be ready in no time. And trust me, when that golden crust forms, the juiciness inside is unreal. Don't waste that leftover marinade. Stick it to the chicken while frying. It makes it even juicier and full of flavor. Now the sauce. Don't even think of washing that pan. You want every drop of those flavors. Toss in 2 tablespoons chopped onion and a little garlic, sauté just for a minute. Then add half a teaspoon of black pepper, a sprinkle of rosemary and oregano, and a chicken stock cube. Stir in 3/4 cup thick cream, a splash of water, and finish with parsley. That's it. The creamiest, dreamiest sauce ready in a minute. Time to plate. Lay your chicken steak. Drizzle that sauce generously, add fries or creamy mash, and some seasoned green peas on the side. It's the kind of meal that makes you want to sit down, slow down, and savor every bite. Now tell me, what's your favorite way to enjoy chicken steak? With mashed potatoes, with fries, or maybe just the steaks with this creamy white sauce? Drop your answer in the comments, because I'd love to know. Try this recipe today and thank me later. Until then, take care and happy cooking.